How to troubleshoot a floor scrubber that isn't dispensing water or suctioning water. Disassemble the pipes and check both sides for any debris or blockages. Reconnect them, ensuring the pipes are securely inserted all the way to the top of the connection. Confirm that the drainage outlet is tightly connected. Inspect the filter pad and the wastewater tank's check valve. If there is any debris attached to it, clean it off. Ensure the wastewater tank lid is tightly sealed. Check the rubber strip and the squeegee for any damage and replace it immediately if it's torn.